Ever crave that perfect aromatic Hyderabadi chicken biryani? Let's whip it up today, Kerala style. First, fry your aromatics until golden perfection. Ever layering flavor? Marinating this chicken with the perfect spice blend. Trust me, the aroma is already unreal. Give it some love. Hand mix those spices so every single piece gets that bold, delicious punch. Shirk a delicious punch. Let it sizzle. We're cooking this down until the chicken is tender and the masala is perfectly rich. Meanwhile, let's get that rice perfectly fluffy and fragrant. It's all about the texture, gorgeous. Time to build the masterpiece. Layering the rice over our flavor-packed chicken base. Can you smell this yet? Seal the deal. We're going to slow cook this dum style to lock in all those incredible flavors. Absolutely mouth-watering. You have to try this recipe. Smash that like button, drop a comment and subscribe to Vinshivibes for more